Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn delete the address to the Shopify REST storefront API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the last video, what we have done, we have set the default address. Now we are going to delete that address, okay? So for that reason we require the address ID, right? So let's go and just check it out. So I'm just going to put this address, okay, mutation delete address. So here we go with that one. So I'm going to put this one, and I need the address ID, right? So here I need to just customer access token. I think it's already there, right? Address ID, I will put the same one. Okay, so you have to copy this address ID. So currently the address ID of my address is this one, so I just paste it over here, right? So this is basically the last one which I set the default address, this one. Okay, let's try to delete this. Okay, let's go and just hit enter. Deleted customer ID. If I go, currently you can see that we have a two address, this one and that. This is the default address. If I try to reload, and you can see only one address is there, and this act as a default address by default. Okay, so this is how we can successfully delete that address. So here you can just check the just format of the graphql and the customer access token, address ID, address delete, access token, and what we require is this one. Okay, so I hope you clear on that. Any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.